Hey everybody, Santa back again Tuesday, October 29, and I think Congrey has started its arrival. I just watched Westpac weather and it is moving northwest. So I think the bulk of it's going to miss us, but we're getting a lot of wind. Let's take a look. This cat, every time I go out of the bedroom, it just follows me. Never leaves me alone, never. No matter where I go, the only peace I get is when I go in the bedroom, watch TV. I lock the doors. If I don't lock the door anyway, it'll swing open because of the wind. Because the doors are very light, they're aluminum. Look at the flags, man. I should probably take them down. Maybe I will again. Because this is just the beginning, I think. It's going to be today and tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be gone by Thursday, because my plan's still leaving to Cabanatuan on Thursday. Unless it's really bad, then I can't really leave. But Jerson did come back home. He finished painting all the blue. He painted all this blue with the anti-rust, anti-erosion, corrosion paint. Looks a lot better. He finished the water tower also. I made him put 2 coats on that. So I used all 3 cans of paint I had. And that really did everything. But there's really no rain right now. Just if you feel a few sprinkles, that's it. Mostly just wind. I think I probably should take the flags down again. But I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. The big thing is, as always, I hope the wind's not strong enough to damage the roof or anything. That's the main thing. Everything else can be fixed pretty easily. Tarps and all that stuff. But we'll see. We'll see how strong it gets. But it is heading north. Most of it's going to miss us. I don't even think it's going to be as bad as the last one. But if you guys are interested, Westpac weather. That's the name of the weather channel. The guy does all the Philippines, all the Pacific Ocean here, all Asia. He's really good. But I'm gonna go back inside because I don't want any flying coconuts to hit my head. But first I think I'll take these flags down, if it's not too difficult. Leave me alone, cat. The seas are getting choppy, but I think we're going to be okay. Alright everybody, I guess that's it. Like and subscribe, it is free as always. And God bless everyone. Santa Claus, over and out.